Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. So in today's video we will discuss Python functions. A Python is a block of code which only runs when it is called. You can pass data as parameters into a function and this function can return data as a result. So now let's see how to create a function. In Python we can create a function by using def keyword. So it will more be explained through an example. So here is an example in which def my function parentheses and print. Here is a function parameter hello from function. So now let's see how to call a function. To call a function, we will use the function name followed by parentheses. So in this slide we have a function hello from function. So if we have to call a function, we will use the function name followed by parentheses. So now let's see an example how to call a function. So first we will write the function name or function variable which we have to call hello from function and then parentheses. So that's all we need to call a function and this will be printed as output. That's all from today's video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.